Hoy, pagalingan sumubo, titang ina. Oh, wow. Titang ina.
Another year, another fresh start to travel again. And in today's vlog, I am bringing you to the wonderful city and the home of Chocolate Hills, Bohol.
Meanwhile,
ay, papasok na mga first time flyers. Wow. First time flyer ka din po?
No.
Oh, ito po. First time flyer po.
Yes.
TL, first time flyer po. Financer. Ng nanay.
bombastic side-eye.
I was intrigued because this cookies from Philippine Airlines flight is getting viral online. And now, let's taste it. It was creamy, has right texture of chewy and crunchy, and it was from Figaro Coffee.
Wow. Later.
Touchdown, Bohol! Ayan na! Kamusta naman ang flight?
Nakita mo yung nahihirapan na natin.
Ayan na, ang ina. Ayan na.
Gulong.
Ang tanging ina mo kasi.
Our Bohol trip was made easy, affordable and hassle-free by walk-around Bohol tour and packages.
Yaman talaga ng mima ko. Kinaskas. Charot. Ayan na.
Kuya, tandaan na sila eh.
Kasi nga, tanging ina ka.
Right after our landing, we have started our half-day city tour. Our first destination is the Bohol Bee Farm.
Nag-meet and greet kami ng mga bubuyog. Pero unfortunately, walang bubuyog kasi nasira daw siya nung bagyo. Sayang. Pero dito kami. Punta kami sa factory ng ice cream.
Wow.
Let's go.
In this area of the farm, you can see the process of making their famous and delicious ice creams.
Medyo mainit lang siya dito at medyo kinakabahan ako sa tagyawat ko. Puputok na siya, besh. Serious. Pero yan na, bibili muna kami ng mga mabibili dito. At titignan namin kung ano meron dito. Ay, may pool.
Other than the ice cream, bees, and pool, they also have souvenir shops and restaurants, which we will try because it is already lunchtime.
Wow.
Hoy, Rose Ann. Ano ka? Isa kang lomboy. Very Bali, Indonesia.
Wow.
Dali, tara, baba tayo. Iyo. Dali, sige. Iyo. Maganda siya dito. Maganda. Iyo. Wow, complimentary, be.
Wow.
And now, I'm gonna taste the complimentary bread with honey. Gago, masarap. Masarap.
Tinapay nila. Yung tinapay lang. Kung sa ano, sa malunggay ba yun? Yan.
Very French baker ang dating. Ang sarap.
Wow.
Nabusog na akong cancel yun yung order. Ang nitikma mo, be? Sarap. Sarap daw, tikma mo.
Sinapag nila para bibili ka dun
Sarap.
sa nila, gift shop.
Sarap niyan. Ito na kami mga order.
Ano na pang sarap, ang daming gulay.
Kain. Sarap. Grabe yung asin niya. Parang gumuguhit ang ano.
Thanks to that gift.
Parang gano'n. Parang kasi nasa nilbang be.
Masin pa sa kanya.
Masin pa sa kanino? Uy, may basher. After kumain, magdi-dessert kami ng ice cream.
Wow.
So, yan ay 80 pesos per scoop. Kabog. Anong flavor mo, be?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Yun.
Wow.
Pagalingan sumubo, be.
Maputikin.
Ang sarap. This is Guyabano. What's yours?
Salted honey.
Honey. Sarap.
A few minutes later.
Right after our lunch, we go to one of the iconic church here in Bohol, the Delis Church, also known as the Church of Our Lady of the Assumption, is located in Delis, a small peaceful town from the island of Panglao. It was declared as a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Commission. The church is a mixture of Neo-Gothic and Neoclassical architecture. It has a bell tower made of corals.
Ayan, inuulan kami ngayon. May balat sa puwet. Wala makakapigil sa amin. Tapos umuulan dito. Shoota Kels. Punta kami ngayon sa Hinagdanan Cave.
Hinagdanan Cave has become a popular attraction since the landowner accidentally discovered it a few years ago, and there is now firm ownership of souvenir shops and stalls that must be toured before visitors can reach the cave. It is a naturally lighted cavern with a deep lagoon and many large stalactites and stalagmites.
Ako ng Diyos, no, lumindol po. 7.2 ng budget ko ng damage. Kasi marami yung mga columns line mo. Nagsisilbing haligi po siya.
Yung mga patak-patak.
Oo, yung mga patak-patak, ma'am. Nabubuo yan. Magiging stalagmites. So, pag yung tumulo, ma'am, malamig, minerals po. Pag mainit, ipot. Or yung ihis yung galing sa septic tank. Joke lang, walang septic tank sa tank. Akala ko sa strong.
Parang may utongshi siya.
So, yung farmer po, siya yung may-ari ng lupa, sir, sa taas. Habang naglinis siya, ma'am, aksidente yung nakita yung buta. So, that happened 16th century na, sir. Tapos, yung farmer po, na-curious siya kung anong nasa baba. Kaya, nag-drop siya ng bato yung ma'am. And then, nakarinig siya ng splash ng tubig. Kaya, binaba niya po yung butas, gumamit siya ng hagdan. That's why yung cave tinawag na Hinagdanan. So, yung...
Pero yung butas na to, natural niya.
Actually, ma'am, butas kami na dyan, yung mga walang ticket or pag gusto ng libre. Doon tumatala. Libre na yung mga bali-bali. Okay lang. Okay lang water. Hello po. Welcome back. Survivors, Rampa. Ladies and gentlemen, the survivors of the cave. Miss Janelle Mercado. Hello, ma'am.
A few minutes later.
Ito kami ngayon sa pangalawang simbahan. Pangalawa. Yes. Panglawlaw. Kasi dalawa na eh. Yung tower, oh. Ayan na, oh. Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Ayan o, maglilin po yan.
Tawag. Sariling lift. Ginagawa kaming banal ni Kuya. So, alam mo ba, pangalawang kasal na namin na pupuntahan tong simbahan.
Ito apang pa rin.
Pag ito apang pa rin, ito nasa ina talaga niya.
Also known as the Church of St. Augustine, was known for its ceiling murals to be sacraments. Its ceiling filled with a mural of Holy Trinity surrounded by 8 divisions of angels. There are 3 carved readables in the altar, 2 in the arm of the transept, and the other one is in the central nave.
One eternity later.
We are now here sa aming hotel. So, ito ang aming room. Ito ang aming labas. Meron siyang pool.
This is Greenfield's Tourist Inn, Panglao. It was pretty decent state, but looks a bit old. It has AC, a pool and free plated breakfast. And so for me it's just okay for one night. Since we still have time, we went to Alona Beach to swim and look for something to eat for dinner.
We are now here in Alona Beach. Tapos nakita namin ang weather disturbances. Dito po ay umuulan. Dito naman po ay maaraw. At dito po ay may dede. Ayan. Bugs. Ito na siya. Swimming na tayo. Let's go.
Along the seashore, there are plenty of restaurants, hotels and souvenir shops, but they are a bit expensive, so we are suggesting you to stroll along and compare prices if you're on a budget.
So, hirap na kami kung maghanap ng kakainan namin. So, one struggle sa pagta-travel is yung makakainan mo kapag lalo na kapag nakapamili ka na ng mga pasalubong.
A few minutes later.
Sa loob, kuya. Kami kakain. At sabay-sabay kaming nagulat sa mga servings. Ayan, ang aming mga in-order. Hey, here at Jose Panglao. Yes. Ngayon, huhusgahan namin kung masarap ba si Jose. Oh, ayan na, oh. Tanging ina mo. Ayan. Ay, nagmura. Tikman mo yung Seashell Bikini Garden Panty Venus. Eh, approve ng...
Very butter.
Yes. Ano siya? AAA, AA, 9 volts. Ang sarap. Tamis. Malambot. At yung barbecue, ang sarap, be. I love it. 10 out of 10. Kaya dito kami ngayon sa pool. Swimming 101. Tayo mo kung lulubog ka, be? Lulubog ka ba? Sige nga. Oh. Oh. Sakto lang eh. Sige. Taking ina niya. Ayan.
Day 2.
Start na naming tour. Wow. Let's go. Day tour.
Today is our countryside tour, which includes different churches, tourist attractions, and many more. Our first stop is Aproniana Souvenir Shop. Upon entering the guide, we'll give you discount vouchers for your purchases. They sell plenty of locally made handicrafts, t-shirts and other apparel, magnets, charms, local delicacies, and many more. Prices here are a bit higher than that of souvenir shops near Hinay Danan Cave.
Ay, mga nabudol. Ayan, nabudol. Ayan, nabudol. Madam, nabudol.
Lalaba pa yan mamaya para may pambili.
Yay. We are now here sa may bakla. Yon. Sure. Wow. Ay, bakla yon.
They say, you have not been to Baclayan if you have not seen the museum, so we did. They are very strict with the dress code, so better be prepared and follow it. They have plenty of antique religious relics and statues inside from the 15th to 16th century. The Baclayan Church is one of the Philippines' oldest Catholic churches, structurally original and still with authentic materials, dating back to 1727. Mainly, the facade of the church was made up of limestones.
Later.
Hey, welcome to Lemur Butterfly Park. I like to move it. Charis. Papasok na kami ngayon sa loob ng Butterfly Park. Wow!
Kaya may si Paolo. Ay, may bakla.
Oo. Feeling ko yung organizer bakla. Kapuputol ko ang aking hindi liit. Someday they're gonna hatch. Wow!
Ay, wala.
Malaw siya. Ayan.
Other than the butterflies, they also have crocodile, birds, rabbits, and snakes. Wow!
Madali. Look at the camera. What?
Because she's dead.
Wag naman. Ayos mo ka.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Just across the Limaran Butterfly Park is the marker for the historic blood compact in Bohol. This is between Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and Dotasica Tuno, and marks the friendship of Spain and the locals of Bohol and the Catholicism.
So dito kami kakain sa may Lobok River Cruise. Kakain sa Lobot. Ay, iba pala yun. Anak sa mayaman kayo. Yan, anak sa mayaman. Dorinel! Si Dorinel.
Experience a leisurely adventure on a floating cruise that drifts along the cleanest Lobok River in the Philippines. Advanced reservations is required, but they also accept walk-ins, and here is their rate.
Obladi! Oblada! Na, oh. Ay!
They offer wide variety of dishes from meat, soup, seafoods, and Filipino desserts.
Oh no! Hindi siya ganun sakto lang. Pwede na. Wow! We are now here.
Hanging bridge.
Bansi Mabula. Oh, I kinakabahan.
Sevilla Twin Hanging Bridge crosses the Sea-Paten River, is now very popular attraction to both local and foreign tourists. Our next stop is the man-made forest. It was along the highway, so be careful when taking your photos here. Here are some of our snaps.
Wow!
Wow! Later.
I'm currently here at the Tarsier Conservatory. So, bawal po tayo maingay.
Strictly no camera or video recording with flashes. This is a trail-long observatory where you can see these cute, tiny little creatures messed on their habitats.
Currently, pababa na kami. Exit na. Ang ganda.
Our next and final stop for this day, the Chocolate Hills Observatory.
Wow!
We are now here sa observatory ng Chocolate Hill. Walking up towards the heaven.
Wow!
I can see Jesus.
Anak ko bakla!
Sinapa akong babysitter. Hi, dude. Ito na. You can see that? Hey. But the better view soon.
This is the view from the top. They claim that these hills turns brown like chocolate kisses when the weather is too sunny.
Wow.
Since our current visit, the weather is a bit cloudy and rainy, so they are colored green.
Wow! Day 3.
Almost forgot. After our countryside tour, we've checked in here in this beautiful resort hotel. This is a Nanda Resort Bahal.
Wow.
They have family rooms that is very affordable and has free hotel plated or buffet style breakfast.
Ew, island hopping.
Wow! Wow!
Sasakay na kami ng bangka.
Wow.
Ka na sa vlog.
Morning po.
Good morning sa vlog. Ayan na po.
Wow! Wow!
This is our first island. Balikasag Island.
Wow!
Baby.
Titang ina.
Ito na, titang ina.
Titang ina nyo eh.
Yan, ganon. Ito na kami.
Wow!
Sakay na rin. Bangka.
Hello,
Diana.
welcome to Balikasag Island. Punta na kami.
Welcome to
Wow!
Dan na mag-snorkeling.
Wow.
Yan na. Island girl na. Yan.
We are now going back to our hotel. Unfortunately, our other itinerary was skipped like the Virgin Islands, since it was closed to the public due to one tourist who writes something on the corals.
A few minutes later.
Buddy! Naka-hitchhike kami!
Tignan mo kung lalakarin natin. Kuya,
Grabe ang layo. Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Buti na lang mababait ang mga person dito.